The Revolt of 1857, Part 2, Main Event of War. Important centers of the revolt: Meerut, Delhi, Awadh, Kanpur, Jhansi and Gwalior. Many of the common people like the peasants or the farmers and artisans joined the revolt. War in Meerut. Meerut, following Mangal Pandey's execution, 85 soldiers of the 3rd Bengal Light Cavalry Regiment also refused to touch the cartridges. They were imprisoned by the British. Delhi. Hundreds of British men, women and officers were killed. Last Mughal ruler in Delhi, Bahadur Shah Zafar, was forced by the rebels to proclaim himself as the emperor. It was all in the hands of General Bhakt Khan, who brought his troops from Bareilly Place to Delhi. Kanpur's leaders: Nana Sahib and Tanya Tope. Kanpur. Nana Sahib, adopted son of Bajirao II, was made the Peshwa, assisted by Tanya Tope. He declared himself the governor under Bahadur Shah Zafar. The British were unprepared, so they decided to surrender after a few weeks. Lucknow, the capital of Awadh. The British annexed Awadh when it had signed the subsidiary alliance. The Britishers were very rude to the rulers. The leader of Awadh was Begum Hazrat Mahal. Henry Lawrence, the British commissioner, was killed in the revolt. Lucknow. Begum Hazrat Mahal. Jhansi ki Rani, Rani Lakshmi Bai. Jhansi. Because of the doctrine of lapse, the British refused to acknowledge the Rani's adopted son as the heir to the throne of Jhansi. Rani Lakshmi Bai joined Tanya Tope at Kalpi. They marched to Gwalior. Lakshmi Bai was killed at Gwalior. Tanya Tope carried on guerrilla warfare. At the end, he was captured by the company. What is guerrilla warfare? Hiding behind mountains, hills or trees and fighting or shooting. Recap. Main events in the revolt of 1857: Delhi, Jhansi, Lucknow, Meerut and Kanpur. Thank you and have a nice day.